Hello friends, today we learn good habits. Get up early. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily. Comb your hair. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Exercise regularly. Play outdoor games. Use a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Eat fresh and healthy food. Reach school on time. Stand in a queue to board the bus. Get up, friend. Thank you. Study regularly. Throw trash in the dustbin. Say excuse me when you interrupt someone. Say sorry when you make a mistake. Do not scribble on the wall. Use water and electricity wisely. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.